Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and we have some last-minute bangers to go over with you today. We have scoured the shelves of Amazon, and we came up with a great list we think you'll love. Here we go again. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk Christmas watches. Okay, before we push out these stunners, let's do a really quick wrist check. You are looking at the Cadola 1031 in red. It's a great dress watch or an everyday watch, whichever you'd prefer. It looks great, it feels light. I sometimes forget I'm wearing it. When you can, check it out. All right, we are ready to go. The first one is going to be a Seagull 816. This is the Seagull 816, and it's on a different level than any other watch at this price point. You get stainless steel, sapphire crystal, a nice ST16 movement, and check out that dial. Both variants are nothing short of incredible. The last thing I want to show you about this watch is the case back exhibition window. Have a look at that. It's simply amazing. You are getting a ton of watch for $171. This Seagull, it's definitely worth checking out. That was a great way to start out this list, but where do we go from here? How about a Baltany? You are looking at the Baltany 1926, and it is stacked. What do you get with this watch? Well, I'm glad you asked. You get 316L stainless steel, AR-coated sapphire crystal, unbelievable precision and craftsmanship, a high accuracy ST1701 automatic movement, an upgraded high-end leather strap, and drop-dead gorgeous looks. The case measures 39 millimeters in diameter with a lug-to-lug of 43 millimeters, and the case thickness is right at 10 millimeters. This is really an incredible watch for right at $170. All right, that's two bangers in the books. Let's do something with a military theme for number 3. This is called an Avi-8. You gotta love a watch brand that sticks with a military themed design. I know I do. They have a ton of great designs, and they take their inspiration from pilots and engineers who served in the air forces around the world. Most of their watches are 43 millimeters in diameter, all have stainless steel, and they're water resistant to 50 meters. These retro-looking watches can be a GMT or a chronograph as well. This company is part of the same brand as Spinnaker watches. These are really well-made watches, and each one of these different designs tells their own story. And you can get these designs starting at $130. Now we're going to bring our prices down to under $100. This next diver is by a company called Berny. This diver has a unique dial design, and it's a good offering for you. This dive watch gives you 200 meters of water resistance, a nice piece of scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a solid stainless steel case, crown, case back, and it's powered by an always consistent Miyota 8205 automatic movement. Berny is a brand that has positioned themselves to really be an effective player in the affordable watch market. Berny has really clean and good designs, and this watch is at $75, which is a steal for an automatic movement. Okay, that's 4 watches down, and we are screaming at number 5. This is a watch by Casio. Everyone knows Casio. This is the AE1200. This watch is 100 meters of water resistance, has multi-alarm settings, a stopwatch, a countdown timer, a world map, an LED light, and an analog display. And the battery on this watch will last over a decade. This is a really solid watch, and it's on sale at Amazon for $33 for their Christmas sale. And here we are. Let's kick it up just a little bit. This is number 6, and this is by Bertucci. Bertucci is a no-nonsense, just the facts kind of watch. It's simply, what do you need? Here it is. This Bertucci has a black dial and case with a forest green nylon band. It also includes a DX3 compass, and together they offer a classic design that checks all the boxes for a tough and reliable field watch, including some super lume for low light situations. Bertucci has a whole lot of models. This one's $85, but they do start around $45. We are at number 7, and we are definitely on a roll. This next watch is by a company called Undone. This is their Urban. This is another name that leaves me wondering why. However, what I don't wonder about is the quality of this watch. It's a 40 millimeter stainless steel case with a hybrid flyback chronograph movement, the VK63, which is a good addition to anyone's watch collection. This dial color, which is a cream, offers a really nice retro feel. I like the placement of the 2 subdials at the 12 o'clock and the 6 o'clock positions. The hands are a nice dark blue and contrast well with that dial. This becomes one of the more legible dials around. The Undone brand has really become a strong player in the Microbrand world, and this one's available for $265 at Amazon. We are anchoring down the number 8 position here with a watch brand called Zezame. This is their first offering, and they've done an incredible job with this watch. Let me show you. They call this watch the Eye of the Dragon by Zezame. It's a beautiful stainless steel 38mm dress watch that just holds its own on its elegance and its simplicity. It's got a classic design, a clean look, and a vintage feel. The attention to detail and the finishing were at the forefront of this design. The stainless steel case and beads of rice bracelet, each link specifically crafted to resemble the scales of a dragon. As you look at this watch, I want you to think this is their first design. Imagine what it'll look like in their second, third, fourth designs. This Zezame is currently on sale for $165 at Amazon. All right, we are in the home stretch. This is number 9. It's a dive watch by Vaer. You are looking at the Vaer DS4 Solar dive watch. This diver is ocean ready to 200 meters. It's solar powered with a perpetual timekeeper. Has sapphire crystal. You also get 2 quick change 20mm straps, and this watch is available in both 38mm and 42mm. This watch is tough. It's also simple. It's nothing we haven't seen before, but it's done really well. Part of its charm is its simplicity. This is a really nice watch, and it's built for durability. It's available for $279 at Amazon. And here we are, number 10. This watch has been sitting by patiently. This is the Torgoen T18. The T18 is crafted with high-quality parts and components. Its case is high-grade stainless steel, as is the case back and crown. You get 200 meters of water resistance, a Swiss chronograph movement, which is known for its accuracy, reliability, and functionality. This watch is a fairly big boy. It's 45 millimeters in diameter. It's also 24 millimeters at the lugs. This watch is available for $245. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. We spoke about a whole lot of watches today, 10 in all. If there's any of these that interest you, we will have affiliate links in the description. If you go through the affiliate links, check out these watches, and if there's one that you really like and decide to make a purchase, don't forget, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Thank you guys for watching today. We really do appreciate that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. Okay, I was told we got to wrap it up, so we're going to close the show. But thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch, but don't forget, dudes can't be late.
They call me a god.